Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your LED bed frame. First, carefully unbox all the components and lay them out. Take a moment to check the included parts list against everything you have received. This ensures all necessary pieces, like the frame sections, hardware, and LED strips, are present before you begin assembly. Organizing your workspace now will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's assemble the main bed frame. Begin by attaching the side rails to both the headboard and footboard sections. Use the provided bolts and an Allen wrench to securely fasten each connection. It is crucial to tighten all hardware firmly, but avoid over-tightening. Periodically check that the frame remains square and stable as you work, ensuring a solid foundation for your mattress. With the frame assembled, it's time for the exciting part, installing the LED lighting. Carefully peel the adhesive backing and press the LED strips firmly into the designated channels or grooves on your bed frame. Next, connect the LED strips to the control box, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, route the power cable discreetly along the frame to a nearby electrical outlet, keeping it tidy and out of sight. You're almost done. Plug the power adapter into the wall outlet and then into the control box. Use the remote control to power on your new LED lights. Take a few moments to explore all the different color options, brightness levels, and dynamic modes available. Once you are satisfied with the lighting, carefully place your mattress onto the newly assembled and illuminated bed frame. Enjoy your stylish new setup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.